Hello, it's Susan here at Booked Up English. Today we will review the vowel sounds. Let's go. Remember, there are 5 special letters in English. They are called vowels. Vowels have 1 name and 2 sounds. Let's review. A. A says A says a, ant. E says E says elephant. I says I says inchworm. O says O says octopus. U says U says umbrella. Reading is an excellent way to improve English skills. Do you want your child to read with success in English? Send me a message to find out how I can help your child achieve proficiency in English.